Janky lawnmower crews at it. My son thought his janky racing lawnmower might be able to skid logs too, so he's gonna give it a shot.
Can I use this hook on here?
Yeah, that's what it's for.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know if you would do. That's why I asked.
No, that hook is to go to the chain itself.
This.
There you go. Jeez! Here, do that again, I want to see the dirt fly.
I need to be like over there.
Well, you need to be pulling it straight.
Well, I want to.
Your tractor may be faster, but it don't pull like no 8-in.
Imagine.
The neighbors gotta love us. That's some serious wood.
Fucking shit.
No, not me.
What did you say?
You probably ought to have the chain under the log, ding dong. You're just gonna be pulling it into the ground. What? That was not called for. One tire fryer. I'm getting hit by dirt.
I can break something.
Don't flip over backwards. Give it up, Junior. Give it up. Say bye.
Bye.